Guys, welcome back to the channel. I was going to do a quick update on the Brown Ranger that you saw me get a couple weeks back. Father-in-law just bought it for me about a week or two ago and took it to get a quickie little Econo paint job. They fixed the roof issue up here pretty well. I mean, the whole paint job on this thing was only 300 bucks, so it looks real good. They even painted inside the bed in here. It still smells like paint. But yeah, refreshed it back to factory color. This is the factory paint color of the truck. So I just wanted to show it. I know you guys are always loving when I'm doing these videos. So this Ranger, I think all in, 1,100 bucks to buy it, 300 bucks to paint it. So he's under 1,500 bucks, and he's got a pretty cool little rig. So yeah, I just wanted to do a little walk around on it. You guys can see it. I'll do a little shot here. Looking good. Anyways, guys, rate, comment, subscribe. More videos coming soon.